To buy XRP on Bitmart, start by creating an account on the Bitmart website. Go to the Bitmart homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information such as your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Bitmart. Once your account is created and verified, log into your Bitmart account and click on the Verification tab to complete the Know Your Customer process. This is a standard procedure that requires you to provide identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. After completing the verification process, deposit funds into your Bitmart account. You can do this by clicking on the Deposit tab and selecting the currency you want to deposit. Bitmart supports a variety of deposit methods including bank transfers and cryptocurrency deposits. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading platform by clicking on the Trade tab. Search for XRP in the search bar and select the XRP market you want to trade in. You can choose to trade XRP against USDT or other supported currencies. To place a buy order, click on the Buy button and enter the amount of XRP you want to buy. You can choose to buy XRP at the current market price or set a limit price. If you set a limit price, your order will only be executed when the market price reaches the price you set. After placing your buy order, it will be executed immediately if you chose to buy at the current market price. If you set a limit price, your order will be added to the order book and will be executed when the market price reaches the price you set. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. It is also crucial to keep your account and computer secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, buying XRP on Bitmart is a straightforward process that requires you to create an account, verify your identity, deposit funds, and place a buy order. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely buy XRP on Bitmart.